This topic is all about translations. That is when you slide an object. So we want to slide this green quadrilateral, and it's going to end up to where this green quadrilateral is. So from this first coordinate grid, it would have to go left and up. From here, it would have to go left and up to end up where it's at. So you could pick any of the four corners. I'm just going to start with this one, and I'm going to move it to the left, and I have to end up here. So it goes over to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would get it to -1, where it's at. And then it goes up. From here, it ends up at 2. So I go to the left 5. So right away, I know the answer is either B or C. And this dot goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. To the left 5, up 7. The answer is B. And now all four of these do move the same way. They all move to the left 5, up 7. That would be -5 in the x direction, +7 in the y direction. Our next example has moving a triangle. This triangle here goes right and up to end up here. So you could pick any of the three dots. I'm just going to pick where the right angle is. Now it starts out at -5 and it ends up at +2. So mathematically it goes to the right 7. So the answer has to be D. It's the only one that makes sense. It goes to the right 7 and then up 6. And you could count it out. It goes to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It ends up at 2, 3. It ends up at 2, 4, which is exactly where it's at. So that would be D. All right. Here we have a rectangle, and we just want to look at point A. Now translate this figure 4 to the right and 6 up. Where will the new A be? So A, if I go 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 up, well, right away I know the answer is D. It's the only one that has a 1 for the x coordinate. But if I go 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I end up at 1, 0. So point A goes 4 to the right and 6 up. Mathematically, it's like you're adding 4 to the x coordinate and adding 6 to the y coordinate, which -3 plus 4 is 1, and -6 plus 6 is 0. Again, the answer is D. And our last example with translations, the circle above has moved 6 to the right and 2 down. Where will the center be located of the new circle? Well, the center is right here at -4, 5. And you could just count it out, move 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 down. We end up right here. The center is now at 2, 3. The answer is A.